What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Makayla dehumidifier. So you can see this product over here. I purchased this from Amazon. This is the large version of Makayla's dehumidifier. This does about 550 square feet of a room. This costs $70. So FYI, there is a small version that does half that, but it costs $40, I believe, 250 square feet. And the space, I think this holds about 56 ounces of water. I will leave all the information in the description below, as well as the link to this product from Amazon to purchase. So I've been using it for about a couple weeks now, and I absolutely love it. It's been keeping the humidity down in my room because it gets like really moist and humid in here. So then I'm going to kind of show you how this works. So you turn it on, and you'll see automatically it'll turn on, and it has color LED changing lights over here. You can turn this off obviously when you want to sleep and you don't want this on. I think it's like 12 different colors. You can see the water's like half full. This took about like 2 days, maybe even less, for it to get that full. So it does the job really well. It sucks it up pretty damn good. You can see you can change, you're probably hearing it. Just want to stay quiet, the noise, but yeah, it gets significantly less. So like if you're trying to sleep at night, you don't want to hear the noise. You can, I like the noise, so I just keep it on, but you can easily just turn it off. You can change the light and keep it at a color, or you can just turn the light off like I was saying when you're trying to sleep at night. If you want to change the water, very easy. It's at the back side of it. Just take it out, boom, dump it, and that's it. You're good to go. It comes with a very large wire to be able to like easily plug in, and then that's it. You don't have to really do anything about it. Overall, very nice product. Would highly recommend it if you're trying to like get rid of humidity from your room. This does the job well. And like I said, this is gonna be like the third or fourth time I'm gonna empty the water, and yeah, it does the job really good, man. I would highly recommend this to you guys. Like I said, the large, I got it for it because it's a large room. It is a little bit pricier, $70, so maybe go for the smaller one. 250 square feet is sufficient enough, I want to say. It depends on your roof size, right? And it's usually recommended. You can always like kind of put it wherever, and it might just take a little longer if price is an issue. But like I said, I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to check out. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than happy you guys out. If you guys overliked this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to that notification bell. Other than that, some product reviews out. Peace.